Hello YouTube, how's everyone doing today? Al here again for another wee ride today. It's the 26th of November. The weather's starting to turn a wee bit, so it's getting a bit cooler. Today's not so bad, so that would take the advantage to get out for a ride. So the plan today is to head down to Dumfries and Galloway. I'm steaming up, can't you see here? Dumfries and Galloway, perhaps it's still South Ayrshire, Loch Braddan, to find somewhere round about there we can sit and chill for a wee while. I've got the drone with me, so we might get the drone up, who knows. So I've just got down the A77 to go a bit, and then I'll cut across into some of the back roads. The bike loaded up all the camera gear today and a couple of new things, so we'll see how that works out. But this will be the first kind of proper ride out of the bike, because it's not been great weather the last few weeks. So this is just a run down the A77 I'm coming on to just now, so I'll switch you off for the time being and I'll get you a wee bit further down the road. See you in a bit. You can really see a difference in the trees now. All the trees that aren't evergreens are starting to change to their orange and reds and yellows, and the dump of the leaves has started. I must admit, it's not that bad today for temperature. I do have the winter gear on, but I've still got my summer gloves on, and my hands are okay, so these back bursters that I got are doing a difference for keeping the wind off. We'll talk about them later. This is the kind of roads I like. Just nice and chilled out. What I found is, since I've changed from my 800cc Honda Cross Runner to my CB500, whoa, that field stinks. Woof. Ah. Anyway, excuse me. Oh, I think I'm going to gag. Yeah. Right, anyway. Since I've changed my Cross Runner to the CB500X, I'm definitely going slower. I'm enjoying the ride more. It's a bit more chilled out, because I know I don't have like 100 odd horsepower to fling at an overtake, so it's good. Village of Straighton. Oh, so it's a 20 village, not a 30 village, okay? You know, that just reminds me, I was watching Mac McFadden, one of his videos the other day. Oh, I forgot the name. Is it Scenic Rides, the name of his channel? I've forgotten. Rides of Bonneville. Anyway, and he did a video down in Wales about the 20mph speed limit. I find it quite interesting. I mean, quite slow, so I'm doing 23 here. It feels really slow, and there's nobody about, but I can see the point. If it's in busy areas where there's a lot of footfall, drop it to 20, but I think 30 miles an hour is sufficient. And if it's an area that's busy anyway, naturally people are going to drive slower. If there's a higher volume of traffic, that's going to cause the speed to drop regardless. So, oh, pheasant! What do you call it? Right, out the way, thank you. I do that wee rhyme. I'm not a pheasant plucker, but I'll end up swearing, so I'm not going to do that wee rhyme. Aye, so let me know, what's your thoughts on Matt's video if you've not seen it. Go and have a look, so it's quite interesting. I think we're heading into some weather here. Unfortunately we've had a wee bit of drizzle, so I don't think I'll be able to get the drone up unless this stops. I mean, it's not bad, but I still wouldn't fly the drone in the rain. Oh, there's blue clouds, blue sky through there. Blue clouds would be cool, wouldn't it? That would make the world a much cheerier place. Okay, slight change of plan. I was going to go the forest road, but it's shut. Forestry work taking place, and I don't think it's very safe to go this time. So I'm going to head back to Loch Braddan, especially with rain a wee bit now, so hopefully it might be a bit drier up there. We'll see. That's very kind of them. Much dam up ahead. So this takes me to Loch Braddan. I think that's how it's pronounced. Braddan. Ah, you're having a fucking laugh. Right, so forget Loch Braddan. I've actually been here once before. A long time ago I came, parked just up here, my car, took my out bike, made it a loop. A loop all the way around the loch. That was a long time ago. So my plan's not really worked, as you've gathered. So I've come down to Loch Braddan. The idea was I could maybe get up to the loch and sit and chill out and enjoy the view for a few minutes, but that gate's locked. Big giant fence, that gate's locked. So I can't get really anywhere near to get a decent view. It's a bit windy as well, so I'm not going to get the drone up either. So I thought we'd have a wee look at the bike just as it stands. I've done a few modifications to it since I got it, or a few additions to it. So here it is as it stands. So just running through what we've got, fitted a set of engine bars on there. These engine bars were off at Amazon, so they weren't a lot of money. I think they were about 170 quid for uppers and lowers. So they do give some pretty comprehensive cover for the bike. Some people have said that the bike vibrates with engine bars on it, but I've not found that. I've had no issues. Also fitted a set of Barkbuster handguards. Makes a huge difference to my hands. I was finding even in the warmer days my hands were getting cold just with the wind blast. So these Barkbusters are making a massive difference to that. I had bought some cheapy ones off, what do you call it, Temu and AliExpress, but they were crap. So don't get them. Pay money for decent handguards because it's worth its weight in gold. So I haven't done the exhaust yet. Still standard exhaust. Sounds fine. Might just leave that till next year, who knows. And I fitted my Jivy or Givy rack, however it's pronounced. So I think that is basically it. Had bought a wee headlight guard, but I took it off. I didn't really like the look of it. I might put it on if I'm going to start doing a bit more off-roady stuff, but I thought coming into winter it's going to be dark, so I need it. And also just fitted a wee ball mount there for a camera just to face me when I ride for some shots. And I have also, here's my wee ducky, hello ducky, I've also bought a wee gadget, this wee gadget down here, see it? And it's just letting me get lots of cool different shots and angles from my GoPro. So I've been experimenting a bit today, so let me know what you think about the different shots and angles that I've got on there. So that's basically it. Right, so I'm going to head back up the road because it's getting a wee bit cold and it's starting to rain a bit more. My glasses are covered in rain spots because my visor keeps steaming up, so I've had to open it, which isn't ideal. So I've done another wee short video just to thank everybody who's subscribed to my channel, because I've just turned over 500 subscribers, so thank you very much everybody. I'll put a wee separate video up on that, just a vote of thanks and a couple other wee things to tell you about. So I'm going to head back up the road, so thank you very much for watching this today, and see you next time. Cheerio.